What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel.
As you already read by the title, we are doing the slime prank on my sister, so we have to make this. We're making our intro really quick. She's about to be home in like 10 minutes. Yeah, Megan, you're about to get slimed. We told her like a while ago we have a surprise for her. See, it's like this. It's kind of bluish, but like it was.
It's oozing.
Yeah, it's oozing.
It's nasty stuff. She's at work right now, and she gets off at 9:30, and it's currently 9 o'clock, but we have to make sure because sometimes she gets off early. All right, so the plan is, here, why don't you go show them.
So I'm gonna hide.
Walk your little butt over there. She's gonna be sitting.
I'm gonna hide behind the gym like this.
I can see you pretty good, even though it's dark out.
And then when I see her halfway down, I'm like,
Just don't get the slime anywhere you shouldn't, because your ass is cleaning it up, because it's pretty nasty, as you saw.
Clean it up.
Yes.
Your prank too, buddy.
Our prank, but you could clean it up because it's nasty.
You bet he'll clean it up though.
Thank you for checking out our channel. If you guys are new, you know what to do.
Go hit that subscribe button and give this video
Much
a big
appreciated.
thumbs up.
I'm gonna go set up the camera right there.
Oh.
And yeah, right there. You look cute. You
I
should
look like a big bear.
You should wear this all the time. Babe, you are so adorable. I can't even. Okay, let's get this prank on before she gets home, because you're rushing me and now we're slacking. So once again, thank you guys, and we'll see you when Meg gets here. Let's get it. All right. Alright. Huh? Alright, I'm hidden.
I saw the camera when I was walking up. What is that? No. Come here. Come no, here. Mariah, you're not hitting me in the face. I have a fucking
Hey, chill.
Mariah, no, I wanted to wear this.
You got a mess. It's all over your car.
Dad, we have to clean it off now. You said I was gonna like this. Yeah, I suppose it's a prank.
You gotta watch your car, Mariah.
Yeah. Oh my god, like literally, the camera wasn't working last second. That's why it was not on here with me.
Yeah, no, guys, the camera like stopped working. Meg, you got slimed.
Get it out of here.
Oh, goddamn. You kind of got it on my shoes.
Well,
That's okay.
where the hell did you get slime from? We made it.
Yeah. Me and Mariah made it
That was
before.
asking when I was coming home, weirdo.
Okay, here.
Quick,
Come here.
but-
Turn around. Oh.
It's not. If you did it with my legs.
It's
too.
ruined. It's ruined. You're gonna have to throw it away, Meg.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That's not even funny. Ew, why would you guys do that? You guys knew I was dressed in like decently nice clothes.
It's all over
I just
your
got back from
shoes,
the
too.
salon. Yes, it's sticky as hell too. You guys better clean this up.
You could hear it like squishing on her chin. Hey, Meg. You got pranked.
Yeah, and you guys, it wasn't a surprise. That was you. Mariah's like, you're gonna love it.
You didn't? Do you not like it? We made it
It
ourselves.
stinks.
We made it ourselves. It's
I'm
sliding.
really mad. I wanted to wear this tonight. So Ryan already knew I was doing this. Are you serious? Yeah. How? You told him? Yeah. What'd he say? He laughed. He said it was so mean. Oh, it's so sticky.
It's okay. It'll come out if you just throw your clothes away.
It's okay. I can send you a different card.
No, it's stained.
Are you serious?
Yeah, we didn't have enough time to make stuff that didn't stain. So
Oh, you're gonna be stained.
yeah. I tried it out. No, I'm not even kidding.
Shut up.
No,
You know, you
babe,
see
I'm not
everything.
kidding. It has color in it. It has
You
color
have
in
to
it.
clean off my car before it gets stuck.
Meg, you're looking dirty as hell. So do you like our
No, I don't. I'm supposed to wear this tonight.
It's okay.
So like Frank? No. No, I don't like this at all.
Team Marble?
I saw the camera and I turned around and I saw you.
How do you see the camera? The camera was literally
I still saw
in
you.
that corner right
You
there.
will see in the video where I see it.
Really?
Dude, why'd you keep the thing up?
Did I keep it up?
Yeah, you did.
Oh.
So I saw the light and I was looking at it. I'm like, and then I knew you guys. So you guys were hiding somewhere. So I started looking around and I'm like,
Oh.
Babe,
I was
it was
I was
rushed. It
rushing.
was really rushed.
Yeah. Guys, the camera like malfunctioned. Literally, I pressed a setting that I never pressed before, and it just went dark. That was the problem. Everything was dark. It was like the lighting on the you could
I just
switch
wanted to do
the.
it.
You gotta hurry up and clean
I
my
thought you
car,
guys
babe.
wanted to do this
It's
at
getting
the
stuck.
daytime.
Yeah, we did, but you know,
I'm gonna get a
we did it
rag.
now.
You have to stay out here for a second, man. Move for a
Yeah, you
second.
need to clean this up.
You have to help me.
Here, come back.
Hold on, I have to grab you before my.
Put water on it. Hey, Meg.
I'm really mad. I
Oh.
wanted to wear this tonight.
Really?
Yes.
I know. Now you're gonna have to change. You're gonna be all that. You're gonna smell like this too.
Bill, get out of here. I'm so mad right now.
You look cute.
Yes, that's why I wanted to wear this tonight, okay? Like
Yeah,
that.
he would really like that. I'm not like that. Like the boots too. Like if you showed up, if you opened the door in that, he would have. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
No more. Now you're just gonna have to throw on some like raggedy.
Yeah, I'm pissed that I have to do that. I'm really mad.
Well, this kind of backfired on you though.
Yeah. The guy on your car.
At least it wasn't my car.
Give me that towel too.
Baby, come here. Come here. She doesn't need a towel. Come here. Yo, come here, Meg. Where are you? Come here.
Right here.
All right, guys. Well, we hope you love the video. Ew, you're dripping on me.
It's on my phone.
Oh.
It's on
All
my
right.
phone.
Well, we hope you liked the video. Give this video a huge thumbs up. If you guys are new to our channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button for feeling bad for Meg because I feel like we pick on you too much.
We really do.
Yes.
Like-
It's so annoying. And they always do it. First
Just
it's my
wait.
room, then it's something else, and now it's.
Just wait. Just wait. Don't worry. This won't be the end of it.
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah, your life's just gonna get harder and harder and harder. So you better just, you know.
I just wanted to come home, eat my food,
Yeah.
enjoy my night.
It's all right. Well, you can do that after you clean up. You're a little dirty.
Look at my legs.
All right. Well, thank you for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one. Until then,
Peace.
peace.
Alright.
Oh yeah, and if you were wondering how we made the slime, you comment down below, and we'll give you a full explanation of how we made it, because it's only 3 ingredients. It's really freaking easy. Literally a toddler can do it.
Alright,
All right, guys. Peace.
we have to make a thumbnail.